Hello viewers, this here is Matthew, and this week's theme is the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. And today is going to be the train journey to there. So this video is specially exclusive for those who are train fans and train spotters. So, check it out and enjoy. Let's get going. Don't want to be late now.
Good
Well folks, here we are at the hostel that I'm going to be staying for the week, and where I'm going to be enjoying the Commonwealth Games. So give yourself any shout outs to me if you like. Be sure to at least subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to, because that would be great. If there's anything you'd like to say to me, write down in the description box down below. This is Matthew Thomas signing out, and I'll see you folks next time. Bye!